Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Hope you subscribe my channel. If not so, just do it now. So today I'm going to buy a wireless headphone from AliExpress. Let's go AliExpress. I already add the headphone in my favorite list. So this is my wish list. And here we go. This is the headphone. Bluetooth 5.0 earphone TWS wireless. So this is the headphone, this is the review, and price is $12.32 to $19.29. So here is the some picture, PBS, the PBS buyer, some details here. So here is some details, some picture of this headphone. So it's 5.0 Bluetooth, 1500 milliampere battery, Bluetooth box. You can charge your phone also. The headphone weight is 4 gram only. So it seems good. Here's some option. Let's buy the headphone. Okay, going to buy. If you buy a pair headphone, that cost will be $19.29, and single one is $12.32. So I like to buy a pair, and in my country the cost shipping cost is $0.88. So let's continue. So here is the total amount is $20.17 with shipping cost. Okay, place order. So I like to select MasterCard. Done. Okay, now. Okay, is one email. I purchased the headphone. Okay, my order is accepted. So guys, today I got the product. Here you can see the earphone. So this is the earphone product. Now I like to open this product. I got this product after 21 days from AliExpress. Okay, packet quality is really good. They sent me a really good way. So here you can see the product. So here's some earphone parameters. You can see, you can find in my description below. And here is the font size HPQ Q32 TWS, and the headphone Bluetooth version is 5. This is really nice. So today I like to unbox only, and after 2 to 3 days I will upload another video. In this video I try to show my experience, my comments about this product and product quality. So hope you subscribe my channel to get this video. Wow. So with this box, this is really nice box. This this is really nice box. You guys trust me, this is really nice box. The box quality is really nice. And here is the headphone. Here is the headphone. So with this headphone I got some earbuds, one data cable, and one user manual. So here you can see the user manual how to use this headphone. This is a really nice headphone. You can use, it's a Bluetooth headphone, and also you can use this is as your power bank. Here you can see one port. You can use this port for charge your mobile phone or another headphone or others. So this is a really nice headphone. So to charge this headphone, just open and here you can see it's charging. Here you can see it's charging. It's magnetic. Here you can see the port, charging port. So it's magnetic. But the case is not magnetic. It's not magnetic, but the charging headphone port is magnetic. So when the headphone will charge full, it will turn into blue light. So to know how to connect this, you need to see this manual. It is both in Chinese and English. So in the next video I like to show how you connect your headphone with your mobile, and also my experience about this product quality and others. So hope you subscribe my channel and hope you like this video. If so, give me a big thumbs up and mostly subscribe this channel for more upcoming video of this channel. So thank you for watching. Please stay safe and be happy.